Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this episode we're chucking extractors and a 3-inch turbo exhaust on the Territory, and we're probably going to tune it up. Alrighty, so as you guys can see, we've started pulling the exhaust shields and all that off. We're going to get the old exhaust system off. We're going to put the Tiger extractors on. Got this old system that will bolt up to those extractors with a high flow cat. Probably going to chop it around there and join it up to the XFORCE 3-inch turbo diesel system. So I have no idea how this is going to sound, but we'll rip them off, rip the exhaust off, and then we'll get into it. Alrighty, so we've got the manifold off. We've got the high flow cat chopped up there. We've got the extractors up there. We're sort of sizing out the new exhaust. Looks like the rear end's going to fit sweet. It's pretty much the same as that, the old turbo diesel system. And yeah, so we're just going to keep cutting this old one out, get on installing this thing. Alrighty, we've just got the headers. We're about to fit them up so we can size the welds we're going to do. We've chopped a bit of the exhaust system, but yeah, Tiger headers, we'll get them on there. We've already, if you go underneath here, you can see the XFORCE system we've got going on. We've chopped that down, and then we're going to join it up to the cat up there. Get back to you when we're done. Alrighty, we've attached it up. We used a gasless MIG welding up stainless on stainless. Not the prettiest thing in the world, but got it done. It's sealed up. So we'll chuck this back on the car and we'll start it up, see how it sounds. We've got the old dumpy out the back there. But yeah, time to bolt that back together, and then yeah, we'll give her a start up. Alright, so we've got the extractors on. We've got Linton under there, doing the last few bolts. We're almost done. Yeah, mate. It's looking quite good underneath there. Pretty happy with the fact that this turbo diesel system fit an old petrol. Time to start it up, see what it sounds like. Sweet, sounds good. Alright guys, there you have it. We've got the 3-inch turbo diesel system on there, and it sounds pretty good. Pretty happy with that. Probably, I think there's like a slight little leak under there for the weld, but we'll fix that up tomorrow. But yeah, stay tuned for the next video. We're going to get the PCM tech chucked in on this, and then we're going to tune her up. We'll play around with the gearbox. We're going to try and play around with the rev limiter and stuff like that, and then have this thing set up for when we go to put nitrous on it. But yeah, thanks for watching guys. It was a fun little one. Turns out you can put a turbo diesel new Territory system on there if you are keen to do a little bit of welding. It all fits, the hangers match up, and it was a lot cheaper than when I went to order the turbo system for a gear. It was like $2 grand for a catback and $4 grand for a whole system. But once again, thanks for watching guys. Till the next one, see you later. It's about time.